Hello and thank you for your interest in my project. Converting an old Johnston Outboard 5.5 horsepower motor took some time. All parts were old, reused and recycled again. Electricity is dangerous. Please do not attempt to do the same project on your own unless you have some knowledge and experience. I do not assume any responsibility if you get hurt. This video is a demonstration how an outboard engine could be converted into an electric one. There are many ways how it can be done. After receiving many comments and messages, I made this follow-up video to answer most of your questions and suggestions. When the unit is plugged in, some electrical circuits will activate. I will demonstrate the outboard motor without battery power. A red control light indicates the power is on and the motor is ready to go. When pressing the red square multifunction switch, all high voltage circuits are powered on, including the motor that will start idling. A quick disconnect switch was installed on the right side. At the same time, a second air exhaust fan starts working, increasing the air circulation and cooling effect under the hood. There is humming sound and no vibration. A gear handle selects both forward or in reverse direction. There is a circuit breaker installed that will turn off the unit if any problem occurs. One motor fan starts cooling the induction motor immediately, regardless if it is running or not. This electric outboard motor has an additional protection. Two sensors were mounted on the motor, one on top and one on the side wall. If the motor temperature exceeds its limit, usually 100 degrees Celsius, it will open the circuit and stop the motor automatically. Additional orange warning light will light up if the temperature is above normal range. This motor has 1434 revolutions per minute. It operates on 120 volts AC. A pulley belt is used. When in use, it draws between 4 to 5 amps. Its weight is 24 kilograms only, or 52 pounds. It was tested many times with 2 persons. When the outboard is used on water, it is powered from one 12-volt DC deep cycle marine battery, rated 1000 volt amps, with power reserve of 130 minutes. The actual power reserve depends on for how long time the battery is used on one charge and how much power is taken out from the battery. A power inverter of 1000 watts with maximum output of 8 amps is used to supply the power for the electric outboard. It can reach 6 kilometers distance in less than 40 minutes. Adding a second battery will double this amount. Speed is not important for me because I use this homemade outboard for photography and wildlife observation. Having less noise and pollution around me certainly adds to the comfort and serves the ecological purpose. I agree with many of you that it is easier to buy a trolling motor or an electric outboard to avoid any disappointments when designing it on your own. I like watching YouTube videos and share the ideas with others. I hope I did not disappoint anyone who was expecting more from my little project. On behalf of my twin video production, I thank you for watching and sharing. Have a great summer!